My name is Nick Steinhaus, and this is my partner Brian and Scott. Brian and I go back to college. We were college fraternity brothers. Scott is his father, and us three together take properties from being distressed to looking their best. And this house right here is one of the first ones we all three partnered on together. So we're going to go a little more in depth and show you how to take a property from the point of no return. This house needs some massive renovation to looking like the best house in the neighborhood.
The house is finished. Let's go take a look. All right, here we are, day 13 on the house. We've got half the windows set. The rain kind of took us back a little bit yesterday. We got this beautiful architectural shingle on the house now. The bricklayers laid most of the brick yesterday, but when it started pouring down rain, they had to stop. So they're coming back today to finish the brickwork. And we're also trying to finish the sheetrock inside. We're getting everything mudded so we can start sanding. And then we'll start quilting all the wall, ceiling, and then start painting to be ready for our kitchen to be here. And our kitchen, I think, is being delivered on Friday. So it's coming together really fast. Oh, we're currently about $5,000 to $10,000 under budget in renovation costs. We're going to be estimated high just to be safe, but it still feels good to be under.
All right, here's a walk into the master bedroom. This is our bathroom we've been working on with a nice size linen closet that's going right here. Our vanity, as soon as you walk into the bathroom, is going to sit right in front as soon as you walk in. And here's going to be your toilet, and then your really awesome stand-up shower, which is going to have a direct overhead rain shower nozzle. And we framed this up. We made sure to frame a little ledge up here so you can actually set, your soap, your shampoo, conditioner stuff right here on this ledge, because all this area is going to be tiled all through here. Here's the master bedroom walk-in closet. It's coming along pretty well. Definitely a nice change from, it used to just be that space right here. Now it's quite a bit more. That closet has been more than doubled by the way we've modified things. And then plus, with you having kind of like a foyer to your bedroom, the door is going to open up into the bedroom here. Actually, open up this way. And that frees up space, because typically wherever your door opens to, you can't have anything on the wall there. You can't, let's say set a laundry basket there or just anything, because the door's got to open up there. But in this case, the door is opening up into this foyer entryway, so that frees up space inside the bedroom where the door would normally be opened up against the wall. All right, now we talked about this return vent that was right down here. That's an old dated thing to have, and so we relocated the return vent where it would be up here in the ceiling. Houses back in like the 50s and 60s, and even before that and after that, used to have these return vents in the floor. And if you ever walked on barefoot, or for females walked on with heels, they're not a great pleasant thing to have. So we decided that had to go, and so to still have a return in a logical place, we ran the return up to the back of the linen closet. This area used to be kind of like, I guess, a coat closet in this house, and we've changed this around. We're going to have, this is going to be a linen closet, as well as it's going to be the AC return, and made that closet a little bit smaller, but still gave enough room to put linens in there, and ran the return vent up to the attic, and now it's up here. As you see right here, this is where the back door used to be, and we had it bricked over, and after we paint it to match the rest of the house, you'll never even know there was ever a door here. And now this section right here, there used to be a double window here that was a little bit wider than these doors, and so that's why we had to brick in the side here to close it in. But this right here also, once we paint this, it'll blend in perfectly
with the rest of the brick in the house, and you'll think this is the way the house was originally made. We love this line of sight. As soon as you open the front door, you can see these French doors and the back porch, and it's just a super inviting, just welcoming. Let's walk on in, let's come out onto the back porch, and let's hang out and have a barbecue, good time, play some corn toss, whatever your choice is. Some people just show up to work whenever they want to, like this guy right here. So where you coming back from?
I lost. Lost. Dad suckered me.
Garver just lost a bet that his dad could cut this pipe off in less than 30 seconds, and he did.
I'm gonna make a bet. I got off easy. $11 bucks.
What else can I bet?
No, I ain't bet no more.